A value of -1 stops the input. Okay. This is the flowchart. It says that it inputs the size of a number of car engines. If there is a value of -1, it will stop the input. The following information is output: average engine size and the number of engines with size that is greater than 1.5. Then here is the table, and here is the set of values that are provided to you, which is 1.8, 2.0, 1.0, 1.3, and so on. So to solve these types of questions, first of all, we start the question by start. Okay. Now, when you come on to the second stage, it gives you three values. What are the three values for engine count and number? What are the values for
Here,
engine count
here
and
all of
number?
them are zero.
Hmm.
In this one, all of them are zero. Do we have
Okay.
to add our own?
So I'm going to go on this table, and it says engine count and number is 0. So I'm going to write 0. I'm going to write 0. I'm going to write 0. I have written this because this is why it says your engine should be 0, count should be 0, number should be 0. Right? Do you get it?
Yes. Yes.
Now the third stage says input size. What is the first size in your question? The first size is 1.8.
Yes.
So what you are going to input here? 1.8. Okay. Let me also enter 1.8 right here. Now it says that is size equals to -1. It means is 1.8 equals to -1, yes or no?
No.
Okay, then you go here. Is 1.8 greater than 1.5, yes or no?
Yes.
So what you will do? Count is equals to,
1 + 1.
okay. So count is equals to 0, 0 plus 1. This will be 1. And now it is going to take you back right here. And then it says number is equals to number plus 1. Number is equals to number plus 1, which means 0 equals to 0 plus 1. This will be 1. And then it says that engine, whatever the value in engine is going to be engine plus engine plus size. So what is the value in engine? 0. What is the value in size? 1.8. So 0 plus 1.8, you are going to write here 1.8.
Okay.
Let me check. 0, 0, 0, 1.8, 1, 1, 1 point. You should write this right here, 1.8. Okay. Now it's fine. After this,
Yeah.
it takes you back to this point right here. Now it says input size. So what is my second size? My second size right here is
2.
2.0. So I write 2.0 here. Now it says, okay, let me also write it in the trace table. Size is 2.0. Now it says is size equals to -1. So it is going to be is 2.0 equals to -1. Yes or no?
No.
Is
It's not.
2.0 greater than 1.5?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So count is equals to count plus 1. Okay, count is equals to count plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. After it says number is equals to number plus 1. Number is equals to number plus 1. 1 plus 1 2. And then it says engine is equals to engine plus size. Okay, engine is equals to engine plus size. So 1.8 and 2.0. If you add it,
Sir, I
hmm,
have a question.
yes,
Why is engine 1.8? Can you go down? Didn't you say that this value would come over here
no,
when
it
you wrote
is
1.8 over here? Can you give me
uh,
the reason it's 1.8
uh,
over here?
this is the new value. This is from right here.
Okay, so in this part you added a 0 to
And 1 point,
1.8.
if I add 0 and 1.8, it will be 1.8. Now, if I add 1.8 and 2.0, it will be 3.8
Okay.
because engine is equals to engine plus size. Okay, now the third value is 1.0. See, I take the value 1.0, where will I write it? In size. I will write
Yes.
1.0 here. Now, this is going to be 1.0. So, is 1.0 is equals to minus 1? Yes or no?
No.
Okay. Is 1.0 greater than 1.5?
No.
Okay. The number plus 1 and engine plus size. Number plus 1 and engine plus size. 3.8 plus 1.0. It will be 4.8. This one. Any problem till here?
Sir, can you go to the flowchart? So if the number is greater than 1.5, then it's going to add 1, and if it's not, the
Yes,
we're going
yes,
to add a
exactly,
number.
exactly, exactly.
What's the difference between count and number?
The difference between count and count plus number is like it is counting the number of times when your size is greater than 1.5. But if your size is less than 1.5, then it does not increment the number of count. It only increments the number. So
So
in the
for
end, you
one,
are going to have the
the
number
count
of
would be
values
different.
that are less than 1.5, and at the same time, the number of values that are greater than 1.5, which are referred to as count and number.
For one, you didn't increase count, right?
Hmm.
For when the si- engine size was 1, you didn't increase the count, right?
I didn't get you.
Like if the engine size was 1, we
Okay.
wouldn't increase the count, right? We won't
Yes,
do this.
yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
Now let's take another value. What is the next value? 1.3. Now I'm going, should I write here 1.3?
Will be okay. Yes.
Now let's go here. Let's enter 1.3. Now tell me, is 1.3 equals to minus 1?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Is 1.3 greater than 1.5?
No.
Okay, the number plus 1 and engine plus size. You got it?
Yes.
Okay, now number plus 1, 4, and engine plus size. 4.8 plus 1.3. This is 6.1. Now what do I have here? 1.0. Should I write here 1.0? Yes. I'll go up. Now I'll enter here 1.0. 1.0 is size equals to, okay, is 1.0 equals to minus 1?
No.
Is 1.0 greater than 1.5?
No.
Then number plus 1, engine plus size. So number plus 1, 5, and engine plus size 6.1 plus 1.0. It will be 7.1. Now what I have? 2.5. I write here 2.5. I go back and enter 2.5. Is 2.5 equals to minus 1? Yes or no?
No.
Okay. Is 2.5 greater than 1.5?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, then count plus 1. Count plus 1 is 3.
That
G.
won't be like right two over here.
No, you can leave it empty.
Okay.
3. Now it says number plus 1. So is it going to be 6? Yes. And again 7.1 plus 2.5. This is going to be 9.6. So don't just get confused here. Some students get confused that, sir, it says yes, but now when it goes here, it says no. But you need to understand that this no is a part of this. And after this, you need to start your program from right here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what is next? Next is 2.0. So we write 2.0 here. Is 2.0 is equals to minus 1? No. Is 2.0 greater than 1.5? Yes. Count plus 1, number plus 1, engine plus size. Okay, count plus 1, number plus 1, engine plus size, 9.6 plus 2.0. 9.6 plus 2.0, it is going to be 11.6. Then I have 1.3 again. I write here 1.3. I go up. So this is going to be 1.3. Yes. 1.3 equals to minus 1. Yes or no? No. Yes. 1.3 greater than 1.5. No. Number plus 1, engine plus size. Number plus 1, 8, engine plus size, 11.6 plus 1.3. This is going to be 12.9. And you need to understand that no calculators are allowed in the exam, so you have to do it on your own. After that, I
And answer, what about this average and output? What
let,
will we put there?
let me complete it. I still have some values. Then I have 1.8, go up. I input 1.8. Is 1.8 equals to -1? Yes or no? No. Is 1.8 greater than 1.5? Yes. So count plus one, number plus one, and then plus size. Count plus one. This is going to be 5, number plus one, 9, and 12.9 plus 1.8. You will get 14.7. Then it says you have 1.3 again. So you write 1.3 here. Go up, input it, input number 1.3 is 1.3 equals to -1. No. Is 1.3 greater than 1.5? No. Number plus one, engine plus size. Number plus one, engine plus size, 14.7 plus 1.3. This is 16.0. Then you have the last one, which is -1. You put the average right here. Now listen closely. Input size. The size is -1. Is -1 equals to -1? Yes or no? Hmm?
Yes.
So it says average should be engine divided by number. So what is the last value of engine? Last value of engine is 16.0. 16.0 divided by number is 10. Number is 10. So 2 5 is 10. 2 8 is 16. 8
One
upon
point.
5. So you will get here 1.6 something.
Yes,
You divide
1.6.
it. It says output average count. So in the end, you are going to output the average. Average is going to be 16. And what is going to be the last value for count? Sorry, not 16. It is going to be 1.6. Right here, you will write 1.6, and in the R and the end, it says output count. What is the count? 10. So you write in this. Oh, wait. Count is 5, not 10. This one. So this and this. You will write in output because it says in the end you need to output. But what it says output average and then count. So it is going to be 1.6 comma 5 in the output column. So you go here and you will write 1.6 comma 5. So is it clear?
Yes. No, can you explain this part?
Hmm?
The last one, output.
Sure. It says average equals to engine divided by number. This is 16 by 10. I got this. Then it says you need to output the average and you need to output the count, right? So you have the output of a column. In output column, you will give the value for average and you will give the value for count. The value average is already you have calculated, which is 1.68 divided by 5. So it says first you need to write the average, then count. So you will write in the output column 1.6, comma, and the value of count, which is 5. And then it says stop. So you will go on to output, you will go on to the last and you will write this statement 1.6 comma 5. That means you have also output and stop.
Okay, I
Any
understand.
hmm?
No
Okay.
problem. I understand.
This is the solution for this part.
Should I like write this?
No, 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 I'm giving you a question. I have completed this part.